Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to be looking at our teen numbers. Our teen numbers sounds like 10, so we're going to be looking at the numbers after 10. Will you count them with me? So if we start at 10, after 10 we have the number 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, now I know that most of you already know how to count these numbers. If I ask you, you could count very easily for me 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But our goal today is not to count the numbers in order. Our goal is to understand what these numbers really are. Okay, so one way to look at it is, what are these numbers? Well, just like we looked in class, these numbers are groups of 10 plus a couple more. So I'm going to write the number 10 right here. Okay, so I have 10, so I'm going to make my 10 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the number 10. You guys know that. But if I add 10, if I add 1 to the 10, it becomes the number 11. So you see now we have a group of 10. That's what this 1 represents. This 1 means one group of 10 and one more. One group of 10 and one more. Okay. What if I have 10 and 2 more? That makes the number 12. That's what the number 12 means. That's why we have a 1 and a 2. This 1 means one group of 10 and 2 more, 12. All right, what if we have 10 and we add 3 more? That becomes the number 13. One group of 10 and 3 more makes the number 13. And you can see we can do that with all of our teen numbers. 14 means one group of 10, so that's why we have a 1. That means one whole group of 10. Let's group them up. This is one group. And 4 little lonely guys that aren't enough to make another group of 10, they're all on their own. That makes the number 14. 10 and 5 more makes the number 15. And I'm going to go on until we get to the end. 10 and 6 more makes 16. One group of 10 and 6. One group of 10 and 6 more makes 16. One group of 10 and 7 more makes 17. One group of 10 and 8 more makes 18. And finally, one group of 10 and 9 more makes 19. So my question to you is, what would happen if I added 1 more here? What does that become? There's no number after 9. 10. There is a number after 9. I'm not going to answer that question. I just want you to think, what does this number become if I add 1 more? Okay. So you'll notice then That's why we write the number 19 this way. 1 and 9. It means one group of 10 and 9 little guys that are all on their own because there's not enough of them to make a group of 10. So they hang out all on their own over here. So one group of 10 and 9 more. Okay, now we're going to practice our skill. I need you to find page 351 in your math book. 351 in your math book. We're going to do some of these together. Page 351 in your math book. Go find it. Once you have it, come back to me. Okay, so our homework page says the numbers from 11 to 19, like the ones we did right now, can be made with one group of 10 and some more, just like I showed you here. One group of 10 and some more. Okay, so let's see. Circle the group of 10, write how many more, then write the number. So just like I showed you right now, we have one full group of 10, right? We don't even need to count them because we know that this is a tens frame. 5 and 5 make 10. So we have one group of 10, 10, and how many more? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. You see, these guys are all alone. We don't have enough to make another full group of 10. The goal is to fill all of these up, but we don't have enough. We only have 5 of them. So we say we have 10 and 5 more. We have one group of 10, one group of 10, and 5 more. And that makes the number 15. We're going to do one more together, okay? Number 2 says 10. So we know this is a group of 10. We have one full group of 10. And how many more? How many little fish are alone? 1, 2. We have 2 little guys that are alone. There's not enough of them to fill up this whole frame. So they're all alone. So we know that there is one group of 10. So we write a 1. There's one group of 10 and 2 more. And that makes the number 12. Ta-da! You have a couple more on the back. You're going to do these on your own. Number 6 says, I'm going to jump to number 6. So we're going to all jump to number 6, and then you can go back to the rest, okay? Number 6 says, Hannah has some dolls on her bed. She has 10 and 6 more. So remember, we always want to make the numbers stand out. She has 10 and 6 more. Which number shows how many dolls Hannah has on her bed? Which of these numbers shows 10 and 6 more? So remember, 10 is one group, and then 6 more. Which number shows that? 4, 6, 10, or 16. And that's it. That's all we have for math today, guys. So you answer all your questions and then take a picture of your work.